This isn't just another SUV reveal. This is a revolution on four wheels. The 2026 Ford Everest arrives like a luxury beast crashing the party, and suddenly the midsize SUV world doesn't feel so safe anymore. Bold, shocking, and unapologetically confident, this might be the SUV Toyota hoped you'd ignore. At first glance, the 2026 Everest looks tougher, wider, and more premium than ever before. Ford has sharpened every line, giving the Everest a commanding road presence that feels both luxurious and brutally capable. The front fascia is dominated by a larger, more sculpted grille, flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that slice through the night with confidence. The hood sits higher, the shoulders are broader, and the stance screams authority, whether it's parked outside a five-star hotel or charging through muddy trails. This isn't decoration design, it's design with intent. Move along the sides and you'll notice cleaner body lines, improved aerodynamics, and larger alloy wheels that enhance both performance and visual drama. Subtle chrome accents balance ruggedness with elegance, while the rear gets redesigned LED tail lamps and a stronger tailgate profile. The Everest doesn't chase flashy trends. Instead, it delivers a mature, muscular look that quietly tells competitors it means business. Step inside, and the transformation is even more dramatic. The cabin feels like a digital command center wrapped in luxury. High-quality leather, soft-touch materials, and precise stitching instantly elevate the experience. Front and center is a massive, vertically oriented touchscreen, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster that puts navigation, performance data, and safety alerts right in your line of sight. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard, changing moods as easily as the drive modes. Comfort is a major win here. The seats are wider, more supportive, and available with heating and ventilation. Second-row passengers enjoy increased legroom, while the third row is actually usable, not just an afterthought. Wireless charging, premium audio, multiple USB-C ports, and advanced voice control make the Everest feel futuristic yet intuitive. This is where luxury meets everyday usability. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Everest proves it's more than just a pretty face. Depending on the market, buyers can expect refined turbocharged diesel options alongside advanced hybrid technology. Power delivery is smooth yet muscular, offering confident acceleration and impressive towing capability. The updated suspension system delivers a ride that's comfortable on highways but brutally composed off-road. Intelligent all-wheel drive, terrain management modes, and improved chassis tuning ensure the Everest can crawl, climb, and conquer with ease. What truly sets the Everest apart is how intelligent its power feels. It doesn't roar blindly, it roars with purpose. Steering is sharper, handling feels more controlled, and the balance between comfort and capability is better than ever. This SUV adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Safety and innovation take center stage in the 2026 model. Ford loads the Everest with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, and automated emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system turns tight parking or narrow trails into stress-free experiences. Enhanced structural rigidity and improved airbag coverage add another layer of confidence for families and adventurers alike. So, where does this place the Everest in the market? Right in Toyota's comfort zone. With rivals like the Land Cruiser Prado and Fortuner, Ford is clearly aiming high. The Everest undercuts expectations by blending luxury, technology, and off-road credibility into one aggressive package. Expected pricing keeps it competitive, offering premium features without drifting into full luxury brand territory. The 2026 Ford Everest isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement, a game changer that proves you don't have to compromise between comfort and toughness. It's bold enough to challenge Toyota's dominance and refined enough to attract luxury SUV buyers looking for something different. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.